let's help my friend to solve the circuit equation. Alright, so first, we try to check. We see the circuit first, the equation circuit. Alright, from this circuit, we can see we have three sources. Okay, we have current sources and voltage sources. Okay, first of all, we can change. Okay, we must solve this equation using source transformation. Okay, so first we can change these two source, which is current source and voltage source at this one. Alright, so if we change this source, the circuit will be like this. Okay, 10 volt, which is the calculation is right here. V equal to IR, which is 5 ampere times 2 ohms, and we will get 10 volt, and automatically the resistance will be series with the source. Okay, and the second one is the 5 ampere current source. Okay, we change this 30 volt to current source, which is we want to get the current I equal to V over R, 30 over 6 ohm, and we will get 5 ampere, and automatically the 6 ohm will be parallel with the source. Alright, so then next we can see the 6 ohm and 6 ohm is in parallel. Can simplify this circuit, which is parallel this 6 ohm and 6 ohm, and we will get 3 ohm like this circuit. We can change the source using source transformation. We can change this current source to voltage source to make the source series with this all resistor. Alright, so the circuit we will get like this, which is 15 volt. We get from the 5 current source, we times with the 3 ohm, and we will get 15 volt, and automatically the source will be series with the resistor. We can simplify the circuit, which is we can combine all this source, this voltage source, and this resistor in series. So we will just add these two resistor, which is 3 plus 2, and we will get 5 ohm like here. Okay, so for the voltage source, the calculation is like here. When we follow the loop, negative 10 volt, minus 15 volt, and plus 20 volt like this, and we will get negative 5 volt here. Alright, so then we want to find the Ix here. Okay, so to find Ix using the Ohm's law, which is I over V over R, I equal to V over R, we will get Ix equal to negative 5 volt over 5 ohm, and we will get negative 1 ampere. Alright, so like that. Alright, okay, so from this equation, the equation asks to find the V1, the voltage here, and V2 value using voltage divider rule. Okay, alright, so first of all, to find the voltage here, the first thing we need to do is we need to simplify all this resistor to be one loop only, one circuit. That this resistor 8 ohm can be parallel with this 8 ohm. Okay, these two resistor, which is the node at the same node. This resistor at the same node like here. Okay, and then after we parallel this resistor, and the circuit will be like here. Okay, the 8 parallel with 8, we will get 4 ohm. Okay then, so what's next? Okay, so from here we can see this resistor series with this resistor 4 and 6, and we just add these two resistors, which is 4 plus 6, and we will get 10 ohm right here. Okay, so after we get this 10 ohm, so we can see this 10 ohm can be parallel with this resistor 5 ohm, and the circuit will be like here, 5 parallel with 10, and the value we will get 3.33 ohm here. Okay, so then next one, we can see this 10 ohm like here, this 10 ohm, we can simplify this circuit which is parallel with this resistor 3.33 ohm. After we parallel these two resistors 10 and 3.33 ohm, the answer we will get 2.5 ohm here for this resistor. Alright, so after we get this one loop only, okay, so we can find the value of V1 and V2. Alright, so if we can recall back, okay, the basic of the circuit, we know that in series, the voltage are not same in every single resistor. Okay, so in one loop, in series, the current only will be same. Alright, so we want to find the value of voltage here, V1 and V2 here, so for this two resistor. Okay, so we just use the VDR formula, voltage divider rule, and we want to find V1. V1, the value of resistor is 3 ohm, and the total of the resistor of these two resistor is 3 plus 2.5, and we times multiply with the voltage source, which is 12 volt, and we will get the answer is 6.545 volt. Okay, so this one is the answer for voltage here. Okay, so for the second one, V2. Okay, so the resistor here is 2.5 here, and the total resistor is same, 3 plus 2.5, and we will multiply with voltage source, which is 12 volt, and we will get the answer is 5.455 volt for V2 here. So how to know the answer is correct? Okay, so to check the answer, we can add these two voltage and this two voltage, we will get the total of the voltage source. Alright, so if we can check here, so the voltage one, the V1 and V2, we will get 12 volt like this calculation. Alright, so we already solved this equation. Alright,